Soulferyo Sahl Hasheesh. The construction has already started. 250 units only, 3 phases. Soulferyo.
Soulferyo is not just a place to live, it's a journey to yourself. Phase 1, Soul, offers a selection of boutique villas and stylish duplexes designed for every lifestyle. Phase 2, Ferry, own a signature villa along the most prestigious coast of the Red Sea. Phase 3, which is called You, that combines all luxurious types of units. Book it now. Call our hotline 17362.